If you are invested in the crypto market, in the stock market, it doesn't really matter. You better understand that today is an absolutely important day. And that's because today we're going to be getting ourselves the United States interest rate decision at the FOMC meeting. And, well, this could be a very interesting one. So to give you guys a little bit of context, today at UTC 6 p.m., we're going to be getting ourselves the Federal Reserve interest rate decision. It is expected that we're going to stay the same at 3.75%, so no rate hike, no rate cut. But because of the recent changes in the economy, and because obviously we just got ourselves a new Federal Reserve chairman, right? This is going to be his first meeting, his first decision. But more importantly, because of the recent inflation, because of the recent, I'm going to call it situation in the Middle East with oil prices going absolutely insane, but also, of course, SpaceX seeing some crazy spike in price. And on that note, by the way, Elon Musk just said we are 1,000% going to go bankrupt as a country without robots and AI. Nothing else will solve national debt. And a couple of other interesting things to note. We were wondering when these crypto companies are going to be IPOing. Most likely, because remember, guys, one of the major reasons I remain so bullish on cryptocurrencies is because there's so much money locked up in a lot of these cryptos and a lot of these crypto companies, a lot of which will eventually go to the public because either they'll pivot to AI or because we get another crypto boom. And most likely because the companies will do some crazy things, the tokens will also see that. But just for a second, I want you guys to remember that indeed, we've still got most of the crypto companies that have still to file for an IPO. But that's besides the point of what's going on today. No, a lot more important for today with regards to prices and all. And by the way, what you're seeing in the chart right here, all these little trades is something my AI made up for me. As a matter of fact, everything drawn in this chart was done with the help of AI. If you guys also want some help or some insights as to what I'm doing, make sure you check out bottrade.net and sign up for the newsletter. And also just to connect your Claude or whatever your AI you're using to TradingView, you can find a prompt over on there. But no, and I've spent the last 5 minutes trying to clean this shit up, by the way, but this screen refuses to get clean. I'm gonna have to try some soapy water or something like that. We're gonna have to deal with the situation. I was gonna say the most important thing happening right now, obviously, is just all prices going insane over the past couple of weeks. S&P breaking records, NASDAQ going for some crazy records with just one teeny tiny crash over the last week or so. But you can see, we're basically seeing all-time high numbers almost every single day. And that marks for a very interesting FOMC coming up shortly. But for me, all I'm doing is basically just letting my AI decide whether or not it's a good buying or good selling opportunity. As you can see right here, when you really start breaking it down, these things can analyze the movements so properly and know exactly where we're at in terms of Bitcoin price, in terms of whatever price. And I shall keep reminding you guys every single day that even though the crypto market is right now not flourishing as much as we love to see it, I still think it's just a matter of time. And most people that give up now will either, I guess unless you're already in such a crazy amount of profit that you're comfortable with that, you will either look back and think, you know what, I'm happy I sold so I can move on to something else like the AI sector or the data mining sector, whatever, data center sector, I suppose, and made a lot of fortune in that, in these years with the replacement cost being okay. Or you're going to look back with regret, not because you couldn't have done anything else with the money. In theory, there's 1,001 ways to make a lot of money. There's 1,001 ways that are a good idea. And crypto may seem good, may seem bad, it doesn't really matter. I just think it's the fear and the feeling of, but that in hindsight, it would have been so obvious. And when it comes to the crypto market right now, I keep reflecting it back saying in 2024, we also had a period where the price went down pretty similar to what we are seeing right now. It wasn't really a bear market. It was just a period of prices moving down. And when you look back at it in hindsight, if you were just bullish enough, if you just could see that the market has always recovered and it was just a harsh period, and at the end, it's pretty easy. And that does not count for every single altcoin, but at least it did for Bitcoin. And altcoins at a smaller point just do so exceptionally well that thus far it would have always been worth it to commit. Like I said, it was a very bad period here and there throughout, but a very, very good idea to stay a holder all throughout history. Hey, that is just my opinion. Wanted to quickly make you guys aware of whatever is happening a little bit later today, because the FOMC is usually a pretty big event, especially with some of the rampant inflation we've seen recently. Some are calling for a rate hike, some are calling for a rate cut. It's pretty interesting to see. I just saw a post right here that somebody may be front-running the FOMC, opening a massive $75 million Bitcoin and Ethereum long just before the speech here. And actually, Ash right here is posting the FOMC interest rate decision is coming today, and since July 2025, Bitcoin has gone down after each of these meetings. Ooh. And Tony right here is saying, if the rate below 3.5, market pumps. If we stay at 3.75, we also stay flat. And if we actually get an increase, the market is going to dump. What is most interesting, according to Coin Bureau, though, is the little meeting, or I'm going to say the little interview we have about half an hour later. As you guys know, this is when you get the interest rate decision, right? 6 p.m. in this case exactly. Half an hour later, we're going to be seeing our new Fed chair for the first time give us a little talk as to what's about to happen next. And this could be very interesting because of, like I said, the recent oil changes, the recent CPI and everything that came out, which was absolutely crazy. So stay tuned for this happening in a couple of hours. Just a little warning. And if you're looking for a bit more info as to this AI stuff and connected to Claude or whatever, right, make sure you check out right here the video I made, or a video a couple of days ago, which is doing pretty well on my channel. I believe it's somewhere in here. I believe it's this one right there. So make sure you check it out. And if you're looking for a crypto exchange to trade on, you can find the links down below right here, like for example, Blowfin, which I personally use. You also get some very nice bonuses just for signing up.